Have you ever heard the story of the man who had relations with a cloud? Yes, only in Greek mythology we can find these marvels. Ixion, a mortal king, was invited to a grand banquet on Mount Olympus, the realm of the Greek gods. At the banquet, Ixion became infatuated with Hera, the beautiful wife of Zeus. Consumed by desire, Ixion made inappropriate advances towards Hera, despite her divine status. Instead of punishing him, Zeus, in an impulsive mood, made an unusual plan to test him. He created a cloud in the likeness of Hera. The cloud, nearly indistinguishable from Hera herself, was presented to him. Ixion, blinded by desire, embraced the cloud, believing it to be the goddess. From this peculiar union between Ixion and the cloud, centaurs were born. Like many mortals, Ixion boasted his supposed tryst with the divine Hera to his friends. In response to Ixion's audacious claims, Zeus devised a severe punishment for him. He was bound to a perpetually spinning wheel known as the Wheel of Ixion.